Hi guys, it's Paige and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, it's just going to be another vlog, a little night in my life. I actually have to pack tonight because I'm going back home to LA this weekend. It was a super last minute decision. My family has this huge Super Bowl party every year, so that was like kind of my excuse to go back home. I also kind of just like wanted to reset and like recharge, if that makes sense. But right now it's around like 3 o'clock. I just got back home from all my classes. I got a Starbucks. So I have to start packing. I'm so lazy. I also want to try and get in a quick workout before I go. So maybe I'll actually go do that and then come back and start packing. And then I also have dinner with one of my friends, Sophia, tonight. So hopefully I get everything done. This is so not thought out at all. I'm so excited to go back home. Oh my god, I haven't even told Bailey. Should I surprise her again? Okay, I need to stop rambling and stop being so lazy and get my shit together. So let's go work out right now. Oh, also I've been meaning to tell you guys about these candles. They're by Diptyque. This one's my favorite. It's literally almost gone. This one's also really good too. It's also so mini, look. How cute. Also, this is not an ad. I just am obsessed with them. So, shout out to you, Diptyque. I fully don't want to go to the gym. I'm like this every time. And then after I work out, I'm like happy I went, but I like don't want to go. It's literally right downstairs. I'm being dramatic. Okay, let's go. Okay, gonna grab my AirPods, phone, and water bottle. No one's in the gym right now, and I'm so happy. Just gonna do a quick 3-mile run at a 6.0 speed. Shower time. So I just got out of the shower. I think right now I'm gonna blow dry my hair just so it's like fresh and clean, and I don't have to worry about it while I'm home or even like tomorrow for the plane, and that way I won't have to shower either when I'm home. Obviously I'm gonna body shower, but like not wash my hair when I'm home, or maybe I'll wash it like right before I leave. But anyways, you guys get the point. That's the situation right now. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of moisturizer, a little bit of perfume as well. And this one is the Ariana Grande one. My mom actually got this for me. It smells so nice. And then I'm gonna go in with this lip mask that I actually just got. It's the one by Tatcha, and I think it's called the Kiss You one. It's one of like my new favorite lip masks. And I kind of just scrunch it through my hair a little bit. Okay, so I just finished blow drying my hair. I don't usually talk about hair products just because it's not really my thing and I'm not really that good at it, but this is seriously the best blow dryer of all time. My roommate actually showed it to me, and it's the one by Dyson, and it seriously blow dries my hair in like max 10 minutes. And look how shiny my hair looks. Also, it would look way nicer if I knew what I was doing, but you guys get the gist. Well, I'm happy you're feeling better.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, especially because I'm coming home this weekend.
I'm not gonna be here.
What? Wait, that was horrible. Well, that was awkward.
I literally said to you, well, don't, this weekend, I literally leave like Friday.
I thought you said Sunday.
Sunday, the master class is Saturday. I couldn't physically.
Well, that's just, that just wasn't planned very well.
You idiot.
So I'm in my room, obviously. I haven't packed literally anything. I feel like packing isn't gonna be like too difficult. All I really need are clothes for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Oh, also Thursday. Wait, I'm not making any sense. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then I'm coming back here Monday morning. So I need like an airport outfit, and then I'll probably just bring like a couple like random pieces that I know I'll throw on when I'm home. Oh, I also have to bring home my rush clothes. Yeah, I can't forget that, because I'm not going to be wearing like formal dresses or like heels here, anything like that. So yeah, I don't like this. I hate packing. I think I also just need to like focus on cleaning my apartment and like organizing it all, so when I come back here, everything will be like clean, and like it's just the best feeling when you come back to a clean apartment. So these are all my rush clothes that I'm gonna bring home for sure, just because I'm definitely not gonna wear these here. Also, they need to get dry cleaned, and I actually never gotten clothes dry cleaned here. Is there a dry cleaners, like a good dry cleaners in Bloomington that you guys know of? If so, comment down below. But gonna bring all of this home. For sure gonna bring home these, just because I'll wear these like every day that I'm home. Also, something that I always do when I'm trying to pack is I go through every drawer that's underneath my bed, and I kind of just like see what I wear and what I don't. And whatever I don't wear, I obviously bring home. I have a ton of sweats right now, so I kind of need to figure out what I should bring back. Oh, also this company, I think it's called Mad Love. They sent me over the cutest sets, and I'm obsessed, and I've literally been wearing them every single day since I got them. It comes with sweats, a hoodie, and then this cute little tank top that looks really messy right now, but I'll put a picture of me wearing it on the screen right now. But I'm obsessed, and I think she's the cutest stuff, so you guys should go check her out. I'll link it down below actually. But yeah, I need to go through all of these and figure what I'm gonna bring back. I think I'm gonna wear this on the plane. It's my naked cashmere set. It's super comfy, and the sweats are underneath here. Okay, so pretty much everything is packed and ready to go. I just have like a bunch of my sleeping clothes, jeans, and then a couple other t-shirts, and then some slippers, all my rush clothes, and then in that one I have like a bunch of other just random stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna start organizing and cleaning the apartment. So cute time lapses. Okay, just finished making my bed. I didn't put any of like my pillows up or anything because obviously I'm gonna go to bed soon, but all done. Okay, I think I'm gonna take a little packing break and go get some dinner with some of my friends just because I'm like primarily done. So let's go and I'll see you guys there.
Please. And instead of like a...
We're at our daily spot. We're literally here every day, which is where it's at. We're with Lauren. Lauren! Say hi. This is the best spot. You guys have to go. Yeah, we actually get the same thing. We get the wraps, the turkey and blackened chicken wrap. Boom.
So good. Can't beat it.
Should be packing right now. Oh, but whoops.
It's really hot. Have you never had a cheese fry?
Wait, not these ones. Wait, are they good?
I've never had a cheese fry.
Wait, they look so good. So basically we're going off. Lauren's food looks the best.
I know how to pick them.
I just got a turkey wrap though with lettuce, tomato, banana peppers, and turkey.
By far that was banana.
No, shut up. So I pretty much have everything packed. All my makeup, toiletries, and like clothes and stuff like that are done, and the apartment's clean. So I don't think I have anything else left to do. So I think right now I'm gonna just go to bed. Also, my mom still has no clue that I'm coming, so surprise mom. I wonder if she'll like find out. I mean, it's not really like a big deal if she does, but I feel like it'd be so funny if she didn't, and really cute. But anyways, I'm gonna go to bed and I will talk to you guys in the morning.
You suck. You were good.
She was not this excited to see me. Are you surprised? Are you crying?
No.
Oh my god, I think she's crying. Aww.
Oh, there's no way you would have turned up your locations.